Hello there. Thank you. Thank you for clicking the link. Thank you for joining the class. So what I want you to do first is to subscribe to this page. So as we release the training week by week, you'll be able to enjoy it, and you will get notified as we release it. Of course, there are still other one after this one that you are taking now. Just subscribe. That will not cost you anything. Just subscribe so that you can get notified and you follow along in your course. Now, this training is actually meant for whoever that want to add this idea of I want to be able. You are saying you want to be able to design websites, but you don't even know where to start from. You are just thinking, okay, if I can just get the basis of this, I'll be fine. So this training is actually meant for you. You want to get the basis of what is it all about web designing. You get it, and if you are the one that you want to actually add it to your CV, so that when the company interview you, say, okay, let's know if you have done this before. Yes, it's part of what you are, but it's going to give you a wide experience of you being able to design the website in a simple format. So this training is actually divided into two. So we have the training part that will not take you so long, and we now have the certificate part. You can actually have a certificate of this, in which you'll be able to add this to your CV. And if you now want a customized one that will require you having your name written on it, and that will require you having a code that you can give to a company, they can log in somewhere online on our web page, and they'll be able to see your name, your certificate. If you want it customized like that, yes, that is allowed. You have to get connected to Hotfield something and a token attached to that one, and we will now be able to give you what you need. So that will just be there for life online with your name, with everything. So it's just going to be us checking if you have actually gone through the training before you can request for the certificate. But all well and good, the training is meant for you to enjoy. So enjoy it, and you will get to add to whatever you know before. This is going to pick you from wherever you are and add something to you. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you will see at the end of the class. Thank you so much.